I don't think science is about getting famous or getting rich. It's about discovering something or discover how something works. And that's a thrill that is unique, and that is what we scientists love the most about this job. So my name is Luciano Marraffini, and I'm the head of the Laboratory of Bacteriology at Rockefeller University. My interest is in how bacteria interacts with diverse genetic elements that invade them. Bacteria are infected by viruses, so bacteria are completely outnumbered by these viruses, and they have to defend, otherwise the viruses will kill them. They do this by different genetic mechanisms, and the one that we study is called CRISPR, and it actually cuts the DNA of these viruses as they enter the cell to defend bacteria. When scientists can repurpose these bacterial tools to cut the viral DNA, to cut human DNA, then this becomes very, very useful tools. So we can analyze gene function by changing the code and see what the effects of that change are. In that way, we learn about how the gene works. And thanks to the CRISPR technologies, now we can do that very easily, and therefore open the door for many, many genetic studies that will benefit our understanding of how human cells function and how they function bad when there's a case of genetic disease. I think that Rockefeller culture is very important for the success of my lab and the success of many other labs on campus. Students at Rockefeller don't come to join any specific department because we don't have departments, and therefore they come with a very open mind to engage in science. Both grad students and postdocs are really the ones that carry the work, so without them we wouldn't be able to advance a single bit. It's very hard to get to a discovery. Usually it takes many years, and many students maybe have to work on a problem to finally solve it. But when the problem is solved and you discover how something works, then that's an incredibly rewarding situation. That is what I think all scientists look for.